Welcome to Beyond Repair. Today we have a 2012 Jeep Wrangler and I'm trying to extract the broken antenna. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. Here's what we have. The antenna is down there and it's been there for a while. Wasn't my fault, as always. It's not me. So I'll try to spread this plastic, remove it, see if I can get better access, and use some extractor drill bits to get this broken piece out and new antenna in. Let's get it done. Using the smallest extractor I have, this is reverse drill bit. I will try to start in the center, and I need to create a small notch for my extractor. Let's see if I try the small extractor, will it grab it? Most likely not, but worth trying. Nope. Okay, let's see if I step up and go with a bigger drill bit. So from looking online, you have to unclip it on the side. Okay, one is out. Right here. Two. Awesome. Now we have more dust from somebody having fun, and we do have better access. Come on. And it just slides down because it's broken, and I'm losing the surface. So I use the smaller drill bit on the bottom, now the bigger one, and it's broken. Perfect. Yep, and now we only need threads. That should do it. Awesome. Here's the 15, 16, 18 thread. Here you go. You don't have to do anything else besides cleaning up any shavings because it's gonna be a rust. And now you got the new threads, and we can grab the new antenna, which is right here, and test it out. Bingo. Perfect. Considering it's kind of loose, I will add some thread lock to make sure it's gonna be sitting properly. Before we do that, we need to bring the cap back and just click it back in place. So as easy as it gets, just buy yourself one of those kits where you have a bunch of threads, and if you have a Jeep, it's gonna be 15, it's gonna be 5, 16, 18. You put it right here, make sure it's on 1 slower speed, so you can go as fast as this, cutting the new threads, and you should be all set. All right, it's much better than it was. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.